Conversation between John and Abraham. Importance of water in our daily life.
Absolutely, John. Water is essential for almost everything we do. From drinking to cooking, cleaning, and even in various industrial processes.
Hey Abraham, have you ever thought about how important water is in our daily lives? True. It's amazing how something so simple and seemingly abundant is actually crucial for our survival. Did you know that our bodies are made up of about 60% water?
Yes, and that's why staying hydrated is so important. Water helps in regulating our body temperature, transporting nutrients, and removing waste.
Exactly. And it's not just about drinking water. Think about all the food we eat. Agriculture relies heavily on water. Without enough water, crops can't grow, and livestock can't survive.
That's a good point. Water is also critical in maintaining hygiene. We need it for washing our hands, bathing, and cleaning our homes to prevent the spread of diseases.
And let's not forget its role in recreation and mental well-being. Swimming, fishing, and even just sitting by a lake or river can be very relaxing.
Definitely. It's clear that water is a precious resource. Unfortunately, not everyone has access to clean water. Many regions suffer from water scarcity, which can lead to health problems and limit economic development.
Right. It's a global issue that we need to address. Conserving water and ensuring its sustainable use is something we all should be conscious of.
Absolutely. Simple steps like fixing leaks, using water-efficient appliances, and being mindful of our water usage can make a big difference.
I'm glad we're on the same page, Abraham. Water truly is life, and we need to protect and cherish it.
Abraham, well said, John. Let's continue to spread awareness about the importance of water and encourage others to do their part in conserving it.
Foysal English Academy is a premier English study and research center dedicated to helping learners master the English language with precision and confidence. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced student, Foysal English Academy offers tailored programs designed to enhance your fluency, comprehension, and overall communication skills. Join us to elevate your English proficiency and achieve your language goals.
Thanks to join with Foysal English Academy. Please follow and support Foysal English Academy.